The inspiration for Parkspace came to us when we were looking for a reliable yet simple video chat app, and to our surprise, there was no such app. So, we wanted to make something that everyone could use with ease.
From professional users to people who are unfamiliar with technology, we want people of all generations to be connected. Parkspace is the perfect platform to connect people of all generations across the world.
Here's the thing. All video chatting services have some sort of catch that make it complicated. And these catches are almost always viewed as a mountain of problems for our elders. For example, platforms like Zoom or Skype require you to download, share links, and own an account. Discord and Google Meet both require tons of tedious setup. Other video chatting apps such as FaceTime require you to own an Apple device. This limits around 50% of all users around the world.
With Parkspace, all the problems are removed and our simplistic user interface is a walk in the park to use, even for our elders. You don't need an account, you don't need to download anything, you don't need to share your personal info, you don't need to tediously invite every single person, and most importantly, it's cross-platform so everybody can access it.
Let us demonstrate. You can follow along at the parkspace.netlify.app. The link will be included in the description.
Let us get this demonstration started. So if you didn't notice, our cameras in the intro were actually recorded through Parkspace. And you can follow along at parkspace.netlify.app. So this is our splash screen, it's mobile compatible, and it looks beautiful. If you click on it, you will be taken to the main app, and you will be prompted to open your video and your microphone. In this case, I've already allowed it, so it's not going to ask it again. And you can see my face on the screen. So if I type in my name, your name will appear on top of the frame, indicating who you are. And if you copy, you can actually put in your custom ID, or you can make a random ID by just clicking copy call ID. But for now, I'm just using a default one. So if I click call, Minso is now receiving a call prompt, and in a second here, you will see him pop up on the screen. It's as easy as that. And if you ever want to hang up, just go ahead and click the red hang up button. That's about it. This is how easy Parkspace is. And here's the receiver's perspective during this whole process. As you can see, a prompt shows up telling you who is calling. You just need to simply click accept, and there it is. For Parkspace, we utilize the WebRTC API. Essentially, the first peer asks the second peer for a connection, which creates a session description protocol object, or SDP for short. This SDP object contains info about the video codec, audio rendering, and more. The SDP object is then sent to the signaling server through Socket.io. For Parkspace, we're running the server using Express. The second peer then responds by writing its own response SDP file and sending that also to the server. Through this SDP to server sending process, which is called signaling, the peers are able to connect video and audio data. Once we have a third peer, we need to create a connection between all of the peers in the server, which results in a mesh network. So that's it. Parkspace is as simple as a walk in the park to use. Thank you for viewing our project, and we hope you can give it a try.